The legal disclaimer ensures transparency about recipe sources and viewer responsibility. Bo Lá Lốt is one of Vietnam's most beloved street foods and celebration dishes. Parcels of intensely seasoned ground beef wrapped in wild betel leaves and grilled over charcoal until the leaves char and release their peppery, earthy aroma into the meat. The dish is traditionally associated with Bo Seven Mon, the famous Vietnamese seven-course beef feast, where these rolls often appear as a centerpiece. The wild betel leaf, known as Lá Lốt in Vietnamese, daun kaduk in Malaysia, and phluu in Thailand, is a large, round, crinkled leaf related to the black pepper plant. Its mildly bitter herbal character is the perfect counterpoint to the rich, savory beef filling perfumed with lemongrass, garlic, shallots, and curry powder. If fresh betel leaves are unavailable, grape leaves make an excellent substitute. The rolls are threaded onto bamboo skewers and grilled until the leaves are slightly charred, then served with the iconic Vietnamese fish sauce dip and fresh herbs. For the beef and marinade: ground beef, 1 pound, garlic cloves, minced, 2, lemongrass, minced inner part of the thick end of the stalk, 2 tablespoons, shallots, minced, 2, curry powder, 1 teaspoon, oyster sauce, 1 teaspoon, fish sauce, 2 teaspoons, cornstarch, 1 tablespoon, sugar, 2 teaspoons, salt, 1/4 teaspoon, freshly ground black pepper, 1/2 teaspoon. For wrapping and grilling: large wild betel leaves or grape leaves soaked in water to soften and drained, 24. Bamboo skewers soaked in water for 1 hour before using, 8. Oil for brushing, 1 tablespoon. For serving: fish sauce dip, 1 portion. Here are the written ingredient list. Preparation steps. Step 1. Make the marinade. Combine the marinade ingredients in a bowl: minced garlic, minced lemongrass, minced shallots, curry powder, oyster sauce, fish sauce, cornstarch, sugar, salt, and freshly ground black pepper. Mix well until all the seasonings are evenly incorporated and the cornstarch is fully dissolved. Step 2. Marinate the ground beef. Place the ground beef in a large bowl, pour the marinade over the beef and mix thoroughly with your hands until the beef is well coated and the seasonings are evenly distributed throughout the meat. Cover with a cloth and allow to marinate in the refrigerator for at least 2 hours. This resting time allows the lemongrass, garlic, and curry powder to penetrate the meat deeply, building layers of flavor. Step 3. Prepare the fish sauce dip. Prepare the fish sauce dip by grinding the chilies and garlic to a coarse paste in a mortar or blender, then combining with sugar, lime juice, vinegar, fish sauce, water, and salt. Stir until the sugar is fully dissolved. Set aside for the flavors to meld at least 15 minutes. This can be prepared a day ahead and refrigerated. Step 4. Soak the skewers. Soak 8 bamboo skewers in water for at least 1 hour before using. This prevents the skewers from burning and splitting during grilling. Step 5. Prepare the betel leaves. Soak the wild betel leaves in water to soften them, then drain thoroughly. Pat dry with a clean kitchen towel. Lay the leaves flat, shiny side down on a work surface. If using grape leaves, rinse them well and pat dry. They are already pliable from their brine. Cooking steps. Step 1. Form the beef rolls. Place about 1 tablespoon of the marinated beef mixture onto the lower edge of each betel leaf. Shape the beef into a small sausage along the leaf. Fold one end of the leaf over the filling, fold in the sides, and roll up tightly to enclose the beef completely. Press gently to seal. Repeat until all the beef mixture is used, making approximately 24 rolls. Step 2. Thread onto skewers. Thread the beef rolls onto the soaked bamboo skewers, piercing each roll crosswise through the center. Thread 3 rolls onto each skewer, spacing them slightly apart so they cook evenly. You should have about 8 skewers total. Step 3. Brush with oil. Lightly brush the rolls with a little oil. This helps the leaves char beautifully and prevents sticking to the grill. Step 4. Grill the skewers. Grill the skewers on a pan grill or under a preheated broiler using medium heat for about 5 minutes on each side, until the leaves are slightly charred and the beef is cooked through. The charred edges of the betel leaves release a distinctive smoky, peppery aroma that defines this dish. Turn the skewers carefully to color all sides evenly. Step 5. Serve. Transfer the grilled beef rolls to a serving platter. Serve hot with bowls of fish sauce dip on the side. To eat, dip each roll in the sauce and enjoy the interplay of the charred peppery leaf, the juicy seasoned beef, and the bright, salty, sweet, sour dipping sauce. Tips and notes. Wild betel leaves. These are large, round, crinkled leaves with a mildly bitter, peppery flavor. They are available fresh or frozen in many Asian and Caribbean markets. If you cannot find them, grape leaves are an excellent substitute and are widely available jarred in brine. Grape leaf substitution: if using jarred grape leaves, rinse them thoroughly under cold water to remove excess brine and pat dry before wrapping. They are already pliable and do not need soaking. Make ahead: the beef filling can be marinated up to 24 hours in advance. The rolls can be assembled and threaded onto skewers hours ahead and kept covered in the refrigerator until ready to grill. Charcoal grilling. For the most authentic flavor, grill these over charcoal. The smoke from the charcoal combines with the charring betel leaves to create an aroma that is impossible to replicate on a stovetop. Serving tradition: in Vietnam, Bo Lá Lốt is often served as part of the 7-course beef feast. It is also delicious on its own with steamed rice or wrapped in rice paper with vermicelli noodles and fresh herbs. Texture tip. The cornstarch in the marinade helps bind the ground beef together so the rolls hold their shape during grilling. Don't skip it.